Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on outdoor wooden pots. An outdoor wooden pot exemplifies the marriage of practicality and aesthetic charm, seamlessly blending the rustic appeal of the wood with the functionality required for gardening and decorating outdoor spaces. Crafted from a variety of wood types like cedar, teak, or redwood, these pots offer a distinct natural elegance that enhances the beauty of plants and adds a touch of organic warmth to any outdoor setting. The allure of an outdoor wooden pot lies in its ability to seamlessly integrate with nature. Its wooden texture, grains, and hues evoke a sense of connection with the environment, creating a harmonious coexistence between the container and the greenery it holds. Unlike synthetic materials, wood has an inherent ability to age gracefully, developing a beautiful patina over time that complements the changing seasons and enhances the pot's visual appeal. Functionality plays a pivotal role in the design of outdoor wooden pots. These containers are expertly designed to accommodate a wide range of plants, from vibrant flowers to sturdy shrubs. The natural insulating properties of wood help regulate soil temperature and moisture, creating an optimal environment for plant growth. Additionally, wooden pots are often treated to withstand weather elements such as rain and sunlight, ensuring durability and longevity in various outdoor conditions. The versatility of outdoor wooden pots is noteworthy. Their design and finish can range from traditional to contemporary, allowing them to fit seamlessly into diverse outdoor spaces. A wooden pot with a weathered look might find its place in a cottage garden, while a sleek and modern design could accentuate a minimalist patio. These pots also come in various sizes, catering to both small balcony gardens and expansive landscapes, offering a canvas for gardeners to express their creativity. Craftsmanship shines through the creation of outdoor wooden pots. Skilled artisans often handcraft these containers, showcasing intricate details and precision. This craftsmanship imbues each pot with a sense of authenticity and uniqueness, making it a conversation-worthy piece within the outdoor decor. The use of wood aligns with sustainability principles. It is a renewable resource. Many outdoor wooden pots are made from responsibly sourced wood or reclaimed materials, contributing to eco-friendly gardening practices. An outdoor wooden is not just a vessel for plants, it is a symbol of nature's elegance and human ingenuity. Its ability to blend seamlessly into outdoor surroundings, coupled with its functional benefits, makes it a sought-after choice for gardeners and outdoor enthusiasts. As an embodiment of natural beauty and artisanal craftsmanship, the outdoor wooden pot adds a touch of timeless charm to any outdoor space, inviting the serenity of nature into our lives. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.